Jai Sri Radhe, Jai Sri Krishna. Guys, you must be thinking about my beard and my hair. Actually, it has been long time since I got my beard and haircut. There is a reason why I'm getting a big, why I'm getting big beard and hair. Actually, I'm going to Tirupati Balaji Maharaj Ji's on 29th of December. That's why I did not get my beard as well as haircut, because I have promised myself that I'm gonna just give my hair to Tirupati Balaji Maharaj Ji. But if I talk about the beard, before going there, I will get my beard set. But what about here? I will be bald on 31st of December. I just made this plan 2 months before, and this time only few people are going with us because it is a long day journey. Around it will take us a week to return from there, because we have planned that directly from Tirupati Balaji we would like to go to Rameswaram. It is the corner of the Sri Lanka and India's. It is in sea. After that we will go to Dhanuskoti, then we will return to Delhi. It will take us around 35 to 36 hours to reach Tirupati Balaji Maharaj Ji. Then from there to Rameswaram, it is gonna take around 17 to 18 hours. So it will be interesting because we all are excited. We had booked the ticket 2 months before, but if you check the ticket right now, there is no ticket available at all. It is in regret position. So thank God we booked the ticket. But when I was just checking out on YouTube what was the last New Year situation in Tirupati Balaji, so then I was stunned when I got to know that we have to stand in a queue for almost 16 to 24 hours. Around 24 hours mean a day we have to stand in a queue to just get the darshan of Tirupati Balaji Maharaj Ji. Because I have heard a lot about Tirupati Balaji Maharaj Ji. It is the incarnation of Vishnu Ji. But I was thinking for a long time to go there, but I finally I made a plan and I'm going there. That's why I'm not getting my beard cut as well as hair. Whoever come to my shop, they say, "Hey, are you going to be a bapa?" I said, "No." "Why are you thinking so?" I said, "Why are you not getting your hair cut and beard?" I said, "No, there is a reason behind it why I'm not getting my beard cut as well as hair." If you see, it has been long time, but I don't care. There was a time I was excited to just set my hair, to just set with gel and get my beard set. But from life, I don't care about the personality. I don't care about myself at all, because now my life is so limited. Coming from the shop, then go home, then return to shop, only this thing, and we are not doing any extra activities. I'm gonna gym. After returning from the gym, I am just sitting on the shop chanting the name of Radharani. These are the things I'm doing. But yeah, whenever I am at the shop, so I do watch lots of podcast and news channel, and I'm connected with this current situation what's going on recently. Is you know very well what is the situation in Delhi. AQI level is on dangerous level. And what do I say about the CM Rekha Gupta? She is the fullest CM I have ever seen in my entire life. Because if I talk about the Kejriwal, he was educated. But if you compare to Kejriwal, CM Gupta, Rekha Gupta, she is a fool. She is a puppet of BJP. Yes, I'm strongly saying this. She is a puppet of BJP. Because I was just listening to her interview, and in that interview, she was announcing for the school children, because of the pollution, so they are going to conduct the online classes. So there was a minister just beside the Rekha Gupta, and he was indicating her what to say, what not to say. Yeah, you are a CM of Delhi capital, India's capital, and you are talking about all this shit. So then I thought, what do I say about the BJP? Yeah, I hate BJP. You have no idea, because their policies and their things. I'm not against any party, but I do think that they are just trying to do us versus them, and it is not good at all. But no issue. I'm not interested in politics, but I am interested in knowledge and some other things. So, guys, it has been long time since I have uploaded any video on YouTube, and I was desperate to just make a video, but due to lack of time, I don't have time these days. I'm extremely busy. Look at, let me tell you about the people situation these days because of the pollution. So Grab 4 is applied on Delhi, so all the construction work has been banned. So government has also no, announced on the, I'm talking about only Delhi governments. Don't think about other state. The government has announced to give 10,000 rupees in their bank accounts. So everybody is just running after the labor card. It doesn't matter whether you are a labor or not, but everybody wants a labor card because last time everybody got around 10 to 16,000 rupees in their bank account who has the labor card, updated labor card. Till now I have almost applied 20 to 25 labor card, and everybody is just waiting that when will they get 10,000 rupees. What did happen in Bihar, you know very well. Look at Nitish Kumar, he around distributed 7,000 crore rupees in women's account. Every woman got 10,000 rupees in their bank account, and this was the turning point of the election. After applying the Achar Sanhita, Delhi government, Bihar government distributed 10,000 rupees in every woman. It was the against the Election Commission of India. Yeah, what do I say about the Election Commission of India? Rahul Gandhi, the biggest opposition in India, he is trying to claim that vote chori, but nobody is listening. And 5 to 6 days ago, they applied, organized the biggest event for vote chori. Around 5 crore people signed that yes, vote chori happened, and they just packed all the sign in a sack and they kept it in front of their stage. But mainstream media did not cover it at all. What do I say about the mainstream media? Look at, if I talk about the Gen Zs, they don't watch the mainstream media at all. If you talk about me personally, it has been almost 2 years since I watched Aaj Tak, India News, Republic. I don't care about them because I know they all are big cow. They are Godis media. They have no idea at all. Recently, when Dharmender ji was alive, so a famous anchor of Aaj Tak, she declared that Dharam ji has died, but he was still alive. Oh my god, she was roasted a lot. What do I say? Even Sunny Paji, Dharam ji's son, he said, "You have no morality, and what about your responsibility? Just before announcing any news, verify it." He could just see you in he could see her in case I don't know what do I say. He could see her in the court, but he didn't. So that's why I'm telling you, there is no accountability of mainstream media. They are not talking about inflation, unemployment, pollution, corruption, security against women, law and order. They are only talking about Modi. They all are bikaw, yaar. What do I say? I don't watch mainstream media at all. Yes, I do follow 2 to 3 channel. I would like to mention. You must watch if you are a student and you are preparing for your competitive exam and you want to just touch with current affair. First of all, Think School, Deshbhakt channel, and there is the first post. It is in English. If you watch, you will get a lot of knowledge as well. And Ravi Sastri, Ravi. So you will get a lot of knowledge. And what about the world? These days I am watching first post, and in that first post he covers the all over the world news, and in that news I got to know about the Trump. These days he's asking for Nobel Prize, but he didn't get, and he's trying to occupy the Venezuela country. It is the rich oil country, and he's trying to pressurize India as well because he has implemented around 50% tariff. And what about the China is also going down economically. And there is a new song of I don't remember the exact name of that singer, but there is a line, you have to raise your voice, bro. There is no alternate choice, bro. Actually, this is the rap, and he in that rap he criticized Dhirendra Sastri because he's trying to get the Hindu Yatra, and he's no. I truly believe in spirituality, and in spirituality, you don't need to incite the people against any law. You must respect each and every religion. And I wanna show you something, guys. This is my consistency. This is a book, and it has around 565 pages, and I have completed half of the book. Yeah, around, if you see. And on 12th of December I completed a year writing the name of Radharani, and I have already completed a book, and it is my second book. And I'm feeling, what do I say, after writing the name of Radharani I have separated myself from everyone. I barely talk to my friends. They even call me I'm selfish, and I don't want to talk to anybody. Whenever they make any plan, I directly refuse. I don't feel like, because if they say let's go to watch a movie, I said no, bro. I don't feel like going there. Most of the time, I spend my time with my nephew. I spend time with them. I play with them. I just go to the park and I just enjoy with them. And every day I write 1 to 2 pages every day. And second thing, what do I say? I'm getting peace. I have separated myself from social media as well. It has been almost 5 to 6 months since I operated Instagram as well as some other social medias app, except WhatsApp. Only I use WhatsApp for my business purpose. I don't even upload any stories on WhatsApp as well, because I do think that after watching someone's status, I feel that yeah, why do I watch them their stories, because they are doing pagalpanti and I don't wanna watch that pagalpanti at all. So I have changed myself a lot, and yeah, I'm obsessed with gym and I can do anything. Not a, almost last 3 to 4 months I did not miss a single day going to gym. You can see the improvement in myself. I have gained almost 10 kg weight, and I have increased the potential of lifting heavy weight. I have improved my testosterone level as well as strength. Right now my bench press around 85 kg, and if I talk about dumbbell press, I have lifted 60 kg, 30 kg in one hand, 30 kg in one hand. So I overall I have gained my strength as well, and there is a lot of things to be done in my life. But guys, I'm extremely important for my journey. On 29th of December I'm going to Tirupati Balaji. It will be the best journey, because it has been long time since I have gone anywhere. So after a long time we are going, and I will get the rest from my work, because when you run a shop, so you have stress, and I really want to relieve from this stress, and I want to forget about my personal life. I really want to enjoy my best moment wherever I'm gonna spend. See you soon, guys. But I promise you that whatever I'm gonna do, whatever, wherever I'm gonna go, but I will record and I will tell you each and everything, because it will be some kind of blogging, mini blogging, and I'm gonna show you everything, where I'm going, what I'm gonna do, everything. Jai Sri Radhe, Jai Sri Krishna.